So it's that easy. There's no more taking the fixture off the ceiling, disconnecting it from the conduit, putting a new fixture up, maybe having to put a new junction box. Hi, Neil Peterson again here. Just to follow on to my explosion-proof how to choose the right fixture talk. What I wanted to add was we've released a new series of products. There are C1D1 round fixtures that have what we call our top hat. They're designed to replace the Eaton Crouse-Hinds Champ series fixtures, in the sense that basically you get the fixture, you take off the top, this then hooks on, and you take their fixture down, you snap it, and I think it's a screw, comes off, you leave the top hat there, this hooks and connects to your top hat, you wire it, you close it up, and you're working. So it's that easy. There's no more replacing, taking the fixture off the ceiling, disconnecting it from the conduit, putting a new fixture up, maybe having to put a new junction box. You can now use that Crouse-Hinds Champ series top hat that's already there installed up in the ceiling, and our fixture will connect to it. They were designed to connect directly to the top hat of the Crouse-Hinds Champ series fixtures. Supports their, I think, 20 to 200 watt. So if you give one of our lighting specialists a call, go to our website, ledlightingsupply.com. The number will be there. You can chat with us, tell us what you have. You can fill out a form, tell us what fixture you have. You'd like to know if it can be upgraded. And one of our salesmen will follow up with you and make the recommendation for you, the right product to use for your application. So basically, you're purchasing a new fixture that will then, in turn, retrofit and reuse the top hat of the Eaton Crouse-Hinds Champ series. So have a great day, stay in the light, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.